Respected my class in charge and my dear friend, first of all I say very great morning to all of you.
Very great morning.
Myself Tanu from Proud 12 Science. Today I am here to deliver my speech on the topic of physics. What is physics? Physics is a branch of science. It is one of the most important scientific discipline in which we study about the natural world and natural phenomena that takes place in our surrounding. In physics, we study about matter forces and their effect. Physics is derived from a Greek word physis, which means nature. It deals with the knowledge of about how it ordered to the nature. Physics also help us in many fields like engineering and developing new technology. Physics help us in many fields like aviation, electronics, and in making of weapons like bullets, nuclear atom, nuclear bombs that are being made for fight against countries like if there is war. So physics is useful in that field also. Physics plays a very important role in our life. Physics, the mathematical calculus was further developed so that it could lead to the development of mechanics, which is now a part of physics and an important branch of physics. Astronomy, which is now a part of physics, was one of the first natural physics. Physics was first the part of natural physiology along with other two fields like chemistry and biology. But after later on of scientific revolution, all the three subjects were further divided and physics became a distinct topic of knowledge. In physics, we mainly study about matter. What is matter? Anything in our surrounding is matter. Everything is made up of matter. In physics, in modern physics, we mainly study about the four laws of symmetry, conservation of energy, momentum, charge, and equality. Modern physics also went further. The classical physics, we study about mechanics, electromagnetism, quantum theory, and many other topics we further study in physics. In physics, as our class 12, there are many other topics like optics, as we were studied about in 10th class about light, reflection and diffraction. All the topics are being involved in physics. Also, there are two quantities that are scalar quantity and vector quantity. The scalar quantities are those quantities which have only magnitude, they have no direction. And the vector quantities are those quantities which have both magnitude as well as direction. Physics plays a very important role in our daily life. There are other two fields of physics that are astrophysics and geophysics, which are totally observational based topics in which the further observations are being made and further their theories are being kept in further made discovered and the people learn about them. Also, when Galileo studied about Jupiter, he found out that Jupiter have moons. Later on, the observation that were made, the same tools are also used in other fields. Also, in physics, we study about the theories, how they develop theories. The data is being collected in a scientific method, like first they make observation, they perform experiment, later on the observation are made. After performing the experiment, some conclusion is being made out and the theory that are required to explain that topic are given, and further then the theories are checked by scientists whether they were right or wrong. Physics is not a difficult subject, it is our mentality that we had made it a difficult subject. Physics need practice and practice. We must give a full toward physics so that we should become a good student of physics. This was all from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.